On October 12, 1492, Columbus wrote in his journal that the native people of the Americas should be good servants. Moreover, from his very first contact with native people, Columbus had the domination in mind, and after his second voyage, Columbus sent back a consignment of natives to be sold as slaves. And lastly, in a letter to Luis de Santangel, Columbus made clear that the natives had done nothing to deserve ill treatment.
Tim Berners-Lee, the inventor of the World Wide Web, is a revolutionary scientist who has altered the way people think as well as the way they live, believing the internet can foster human understanding and even world peace, because an individual now have the same access to information as the elite. There is not much time to sit back and reflect because society will never be the same. Our department has led research into straw as a low-impact building material, and the MARC certification guarantees a straw building's energy efficiency, fire safety, durability and weather resilience, as the technology combines the lowest carbon footprint and the best operational CO2 performance, which enables the innovative straw walls to provide insulation and reduce fuel bills.
Negotiation is a common process in business to mainly solve business conflicts between both parties. Moreover, a compromise is a basic negotiation state in which both parties give up something that they want in order to get something else they want more. And lastly, a negotiation cannot resolve all the conflict if one party is unwilling to resolve the problem.
There is an expected increase in demand for various alternative resources, but people should ensure natural world can still work well to earn the future well-being because the world population rises. Since warfare is directed at infiltrating all areas of society, the easy access to weapons of mass destruction is of key concern, but both governmental and non-governmental actors prefer to use small wars, in which the protagonists acknowledge no rules and observe neither international standards nor arms control agreements. Every year, up to 8,000 qualified and experienced women and men of some 160 different nationalities volunteer to help others at the United Nations Volunteers (UNV) program. Moreover, these UN volunteers work in some 130 countries promoting peace, responding to disasters, empowering communities and helping to build sustainable livelihoods and lasting development. And lastly, being a UN volunteer is not a career, but it is rich with opportunities and experience and offers huge personal rewards. Although some brands stay fresh for generations, Marmite is over 100 years old, others become jaded due to changes in consumer tastes and lifestyles. At this point, the firms need to refresh the brand image to keep the products relevant to the target market. A clear objective must be set. Delivering packages with drones will scale back CO2 emissions if the drones haven't got to fly terribly way to their destinations, while the carbon edges erode because the weight of a package increase, but trucks become a lot of climate-friendly various once a delivery route has several stops. This question of whether language is partly due to nature or wholly due to learning or nurture is often referred to as the nature-nurture controversy, because this issue resurfaced in linguistics when the linguist Noam Chomsky wrote a devastating and witty review of verbal behavior, while Skinner's book claimed to explain language as a set of habits gradually built up over the years. In the process of negotiation, compromise is a basic negotiation state in which both parties give up something and get something else in order to reach an agreement that is acceptable to both, but negotiation cannot resolve all the conflict if one party is unwilling to resolve the problem.
The modern home design is very different to that of the past in my country. The material being used now in the construction of houses is much advanced, like weatherproof paints, insulated walls, soundproof windows, etc. The design of the modern houses is according to the space available. There is better utilization of space in the modern home designs. The homes in the past used to be more spacious and not equipped to handle the latest electronic gadgets and equipment, like washing machine, microwave, dishwashers and so on.
There are some similarities such as polar caps, atmospheres and water climate. But Mars and the Earth also have lots of difference. Even the most inhabitable areas on the Earth are way different from those on Mars. In preparing for the Phoenix mission, scientists have done Antarctica trial runs. The lecture also describes different forms of water, hydrology, on the surface and underground of the Earth and Mars.
Humans used to utilize simple machines to understand themselves and improve well-being. Later, engineers developed more complicated machines to expand humans' life expectancy, so that we can have more time to create more advanced machines. For example, now we have ECG to study the different parts in our body and how they work, without going into the body.
I get some good quality nectar here, want to stop by for a visit. But new findings show that bees also use color to get clues about a flower's temperature. And according to a study from a British research team published in the journal Nature, some like it hot. Bees use up a lot of energy just staying warm on some days. In fact, they can't even fly if they are too cold. So if one flower is warmer than another, a bee can save some of its fuel by basking on that flower while it's doing its pollinating business. A picture with data of economic growth percentage. Over the past 20 years, the economy in Latin America developed by 80%. After globalization and reform, the growth slowed down to 10%. People were asking why and start to consider if the reform is positive or not. The growth rate of economy was even slower than that before the reform. It is not sustained at all. The poverty rate, which was at $2 per day, has increased.
But if you were to go to a library at the end of the 1300s, or through the 1400s, you would probably find a book that was then way more popular than those titles we still read, a book that purported to be a description of the world, a guide the traveling and distant lands of BC area, and almanac of everything that was just off the horizon. I am not talking about Marco Polo. No, I'm talking about something far, far weirder and far, far less tethered to reality.
Atmospheric currents carry soot thousands of miles from where it is produced to the Himalayas and the Arctic. Black carbon, being black, absorbs sunlight, so even a little soot on snow makes it melt faster. And when snow melts, global sea levels rise, threatening our freshwater indigenous communities and polar bears who hunt on the Arctic ice. Climate change has been a big thing for a while, and carbon dioxide has been its main cause. Scientists estimate that soot causes 25% of human-caused global warming. It's the second leading cause of Arctic warming after carbon dioxide.
Just like corporations, stars, too, can engage in mergers and acquisitions. A new study has identified a pair of white dwarf stars heading toward a merger. White dwarfs are the hot, super-dense remnants of spent stars. In a binary system called J0651, two white dwarfs circle each other very rapidly. The binary pairing completes an orbit in less than 13 minutes. And that already rapid orbital dance is speeding up as the two white dwarfs spiral in on each other. Each year their orbital period shrinks by 0.3 milliseconds. That's actually a pretty dramatic change on astronomical timescales in about a million years.
Let's take a look at this video of these little kids. They were offered the option of having one marshmallow immediately now or two marshmallows 15 minutes later, and you've got some very cute videotape of this experiment. So let's take a look. Okay, what we found is a very simple and direct way of measuring a competence that seems to make an important life difference. A researcher tells these preschoolers that she's going to leave the room if they wait for her to come back without eating the marshmallows.